Guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1986 Yamaha YZ250. I don't have to tell you how rare these are if you're a fan of the channel, because we've never had one done that was a full frame off like this. They're just super ultra rare. Most of them were ridden into the ground. They were excellent bikes. A lot of torque. This thing will wheelie all the way up the driveway in the low RPM range. The power valve set up on this and the porting for Yamahas, it's a very effective motor for off-road racing or motocross. And most of them are ridden into the ground. This one is basically brand new. Everything's been done on it. It was taken right down to the frame. Frame was finished in the original fire engine red color. All the running gear on the bike has been gone through. It has a brand new plastics kit on it, starting with a new front fender, new radiator shrouds, brand new Clark tank, brand new side panels, brand new graphics, brand new seat cover, brand new rear fender. The wheel set is brand new also. The front and rear wheel have been replaced with brand new gold rims, new spokes. The wheel bearings have been done. It's got a new rear tire, tube, rim strip, a brand new sprocket and chain, new chain guide, a lot of new hardware on the bike also. The engine's been completely rebuilt with all new seals and gaskets, new base gasket, new head gasket, new piston and rings, new spark plug, new reed valves. Car's been completely rebuilt. The intake, everything on the carb is mint with all new drain lines, brand new twin air filter, and all the seals, the shifter seal, the kicker seal, the crank seals are all new, and it's got a brand new piston and rings. So a nice, fresh, new engine. It runs perfectly, and it's breathing quite nicely out of that chrome FMF Gold Series pipe. Just a beautiful setup, and it has the FMF Power Core silencer on there, full exhaust package from FMF. The handlebars are new Renthal bars with new ODI grips, a new Yamaha crossbar pad, new front number plate, all new graphics, new front fender. The forks are rebuilt with new fork seals, new fork oil, and new fork gaiters. So front wheel's brand new. Spokes are brand new. Front brakes have been gone through. The master cylinder has been rebuilt. The front tire is new with new tire tube and rim strip and rim locks. So frame rails are mint. I'll take it off the stand so you can see the bottom of the frame rails. And the engine runs awesome. Clutch is perfect. Tranny's perfect. And she's good to go. The cooling system was also rebuilt with new aluminum radiators, new fresh coolant, and it's running VP94 fuel. Again, super, super ultra rare. For every 50 CR250s, you'll see 10 out of 100, one in 10 will be a YZ. They're all CRs and KXs, and I'm not sure why that is, but you just don't see a lot of these. Show them the frame rails on it. The frame rails are in really good condition, and so aren't the engine cases. The original kicker is in nice shape. The original brake lever is intact. So bike's all there. Let me spin it around to the other side. If you're gonna pay a shop like us to do this kind of work, well, you're looking at a 70-hour frame off work order at $150 an hour. That's $10,500 in labor and about $3,000 in parts. So they're very expensive to do frame off restorations on like this. And then you got to start with a good core bike. Why would you, unless the engine cases and frame is good, it's not worth doing. So very expensive proposition to do it right. I won't mention any names, but I can tell you this. We've got a lot of bikes that were restored by other people that we have to put a ton of work in to get them to this point. This one's dialed to the nines. Everything works great, and there's no surprises about it. But so some really well-known restoration companies out there. We've had bikes just in the last few months too. Several bikes coming in from some of the big name restoration guys out there, and just appalled at the issues we've had with them to get them to this point. And this one, you're not going to have any surprises on it. It's turnkey. Kick it over, roll it to the line at the AMA Vintage Days, or roll it into your collection and put it on display. It doesn't need anything. It's dialed to the nines. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.